name is Courtney Hester, and in this clip we're going to be making a magnet for the fridge to hold all of your child's papers. We're going to start by taking 5 jumbo craft sticks. You're going to lay 2 of them end to end, and we're going to put down some glue. And we're going to attach the other 3 on top. Like so. Then you'll want to take and paint this any color that you choose and let it dry. We've painted ours and let it dry. And the next thing you need to do is take 3 spring-loaded clothespins like this one and paint them as well. Okay. Here are my 3 clothespins. We're going to glue these onto our craft stick base. We're going to separate them so that there's enough room for the papers to hang from each. Once we've let the glue set just a minute, we're going to add some decorations. I have some foam decorations with sticky backs, so we're going to pull the backing off and then stick these onto the handle. I have some smaller pieces we're going to do the same thing with for further decoration. So now we've finished decorating our paper holder, and we need to add a magnet to the back. You can buy magnet strips like this at the store, and they usually have a sticky adhesive on the back. So you just pull off the stripping. And once we've done that, we just place it right down on our sticks. Since this is so big, you might want to add 1 or 2 more strips. Now that we've completed our magnet, we're going to add it to the fridge and hang our paper from it.